Hey, Stephen Watson here to tell you about the exciting auction we have coming up here on December the 29th. We'll be starting at 9 a.m. at 100 Friendship Rd Eatonton, Georgia. We've got a huge lineup. We got, as you see behind me, we got a bunch of nice tandem dump trucks, all of those automatics that everybody's looking for. These are some Peterbilt 389s. We got some Max, Kenworths, you name it, we got them. Also featuring some nice, unique items you can't find anywhere else than right here in Eatonton, Georgia. This upcoming Thursday on December the 29th, we got this 2012 Freightliner, GPS guided and flow rate metered. Also going to be featuring 3 new Peterbilt 2023 model 389s, 2 of them with 10 speeds, 1 with 18 speeds. These will have the X15 Cummins. Also have a 19 and 21 year model 389 Peterbilts. Come from a local contractor in great shape, meticulously maintained. Need a pickup or a car? We're gonna have over 45 cars and pickups. You can see the quality here. You're not gonna find it anywhere else selling at auction. We're gonna have over 65 to 75 commercial trucks and trailers, just like this 2017 model Palmer dump. Got a nice group of 5 of these 2011 to 2012 model Max. CH613s gonna have MP8s in them and standard transmission. Gonna have hundreds of pieces of construction equipment, forestry equipment. For example, we got this Prime Tech forestry mulcher. It's got about 1,300 hours on it. Off-road trucks, excavators, backhoes, you name it, we got it. Also a great selection of skid steer attachments everybody's looking for. I also want to take time to mention the dump trailers we have available. Many utility and skid steer type, pull type trailers. If you need a trailer, whether it's a utility trailer, haul your skid steer on, your cars, equipment, or an enclosed trailer, we got them. It's going to be all selling those absolute. Hey, everybody's looking for late model, low hour cat excavators. We got them. For example, we got 3 of these Caterpillar 320 Next Gens. All of them clean, low hours, and ready to go. Got a 22 model Hitachi 350 with only 158 hours. Need a big, really big machine. Got a pair of 349s, an EL and an FL. We also got a strong selection of agricultural equipment as well. Just like, for instance, this 22 model with a full warranty, Great Plains drill, 30-foot machine. Also got your smaller 10-foot no-till drills, hay buster.
Hey, this is Jack McLanahan, sales representative at Rebel Auction Company. Right here is a late model Caterpillar 299D, 750 hours on it. Beside it's another Kubota 95, about 300 hours on it, followed by a whole big lineup of plenty of late model skid steers and mini X's, followed by all the late model excavators behind them. Check out this 21 model Kubota KX57 with just over 300 hours on it. Behind it's a KX80 low hour machine. Here we've got a like new Dennis Seamoth mulching head. Beside it's a disc mulcher you can add to your forestry mulching fleet. Behind it's a Bobcat stump grinder for the front end of a skid steer. Got a nice lineup of John Deere and Kubota farm equipment. Whether you got a small farm or a large farm, we got the tractor for you. This here is a John Deere 5075E, just 1.8 hours on it. Right beside it is a John Deere 3025E with just over 100 hours, ready to go to work. This is a late model Hitachi 225 LCN, just over 2,000 hours. Very new looking bucket on the front of it. I don't want to forget to tell you that if you can't make it the 29th in person at 9 a.m. here in Eatonton, we also offer it online at Equipment Facts and Proxy Bid. Hey, this is Jack McLanahan, sales representative here at Rebel Auction Company. Around me is some late model, actually brand new, Big Tex trailers, ready to add to your fleet, whether you're hauling your skid steers, your tractors, your cars, your mini X, anything. Materials on the dump trailer, they're ready to hit the road. If you're ready to take your catering business to the next level and hit the road, we got a locally owned catering trailer filled with all the amenities that you need to get started and get going. If you can't make it Thursday with us, we do offer online bidding through Proxy Bid and through Equipment Facts. You still jump into the action, be able to bid on the things you want. We've also got a great lineup of some eye catchers at this auction. This is an older F100. It's a resto mod, built motor. It's been lowered on some nice aluminum wheels. We've also got a 22 model Bronco as well as a 2022 model F350.
Make sure to join us this Thursday, December the 29th. We'll be kicking off at 9 o'clock. Get here a little bit early, get your bidder number. If you can't come in person, log on to Proxy Bid or Equipment Facts and you can bid online. This is going to be the best auction yet for this year. It's the last auction of the year. For y'all that need a few little tax write-offs, here you go. We're going to help you out with those tax problems. You can log on to rebelauction.net and view our catalog. It's up now, got all these fine items for your viewing. Sit around over the holidays, check them out, do your research, come ready to bid. And remember, if you've ever thought of having an auction of your very own, contact me, Stephen Watson, or Jack McLanahan, 478-288-2072.
706-612-6885.
Or call the 1-800 number here at the main office, or contact any of the Rebel Auction staff or representatives, and we'd be glad to talk to you about our auction process.